Again, the lighter pigments always go first. You can dip the clients in, but if the clients have a longer nails, you can sprinkle it. And dust that off. I always have two brush in my hand. And then do another one. And I'm gonna ombre this. That is really pretty color. It's a little shimmery glitter though. That's too cool. Another thing is green and pink go so well together. I'm taking it. It's like a Mardi Gras color. Light pink? Yeah. Yeah. Super cute. And now you're gonna go back and do this one. This is just, again, this is just for the design for dipping, idea for designs for dipping, but building a structure of it. We're gonna do it another live video. We did a little bit earlier today with the shorter nails. If you get chance to tuning in, or if you miss it, don't worry. You can always review. You can always watch it over in our story time. So please feel free to check it out. Okay. All right. So now I get two of this color I really like, and I am going to put some of this shiny star. What have I done? Okay, I get that. And then I will do some of this glitter on that too. We're gonna do this one right here. And using my crystal picker. Can you clean that crystal picker for me, please? I'll grab another one. If you feel it, the dust in there, just clean it up. Oh, I should do pink though. Should I? A pink one right there. Today our content is totally different. It takes you to totally a different of cool thing. Totally different experience. Just sprinkle a little bit on, just the S shape. Thank you so much, Lily. If you like it, then you're gonna coat it. Hey, thanks so much, Miss Elsa. Today we're doing totally different content. We're doing a dipping powder design with all the accessory. Now we're gonna coat it. If you want to add more glitter on it, please feel free to do that as well. I just want to add few of them on, but you can just, you know, do few of them, or you want more. It's up to you. So I'm doing a coating, like cap that with clear. You make sure you always cap it with clear. Dust it off all the excess, and always put it number 2 back again with number 2 base. Hey, Instagram. Transition. Yes, Nuna. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay, now number 2 again. And this, if you apply number 2 on the nails, it's probably not gonna dry. It will never dry. So this is different from our concept liquid and powders. You have to accelerate this using a number 3. And I'm so in love with this. This is collection number 51 A and B from Chizo. We're gonna have really great opportunity to get to learn a lot more about the products in March class in Ann Arbor. I'm so excited to get to share with you more dipping techniques and like ombre technique, traditional ombre, because you will never go wrong with the traditional ombre, because ombre is yeah, just wait for a little bit. And the other one done? Yeah. Oh, Lily shape this one. Like after you're done with this, you shape it normal, it's like everything. Buff it, done. You buff already. Buff a little bit. Mm-hmm. In fact, we have clients doing a dipping powder. It lasts up to like 4 weeks. Sorry, I messed these all the different colors in here. So I'm gonna move this one out. These two are freaking cute. It look like you don't care for it, but when you put it together, they are really, really a good combination. All right, so after we buff, wipe off, clean it, all that, you now gonna do at number 3 again. So I don't know how many of you doing a dipping in this, in watching live video. Tip Top Nails. Larry, we have the class in March in Ann Arbor, which is such a really great class that have an option of 3-day classes. So first day will be a dipping powder, liquid and powder, shape, structure of the nails, all the design, and about dipping and acrylic. Second day is all about crystal placements, nail art, everything about nail art, 4D, 3D, gel painting, fusion ink, foils, any accessory that will go with your special designs. And the third day, we are hosting for a master brand ambassador to brands out to give all of, you know, passionate, ambitious nail technician would take their career to the next level. You already take to the next level when you take your 2 classes, but the third class will give you an opportunity to share your passion with a lot of nail technicians, to get an opportunity to get, for us to an honor to working with you in different trade shows and classes and everything. So remember to check that class out. It's such a great, amazing class that we have a big sponsor from both Glitz Accessories and such, and Chizo Nail Art. Bye, Lily. Thank you so much. Chizo Nail Art, and all the value, if you take your master pass, which is 3 classes, you save not only $150, also you get the total value of your product to take home over $500. So remember to check it out. Don't miss this class, because this class is totally different from a lot of different classes we hosted before. So this is great that we get able to share with you. So after I apply number 3, I've been talking with you. I don't need to wipe it off, but if you are working with the clients, you wipe it off. I'm gonna show you right now, because sometimes it has too much of activator. The portion of activators might be too much when you're touching your brush. So, and then I always have a piece of paper on my side. So what it does, the first coat, oh, this is number 4. I need number 4, not number 2. So this number 4 is the shiny top coat. So here's a tip and tricks. A lot of you will be in email asking, and then even on YouTube were asking, how do you keep your brushes from getting hard and you know, freezing. So because of, and as this surface is have the activator number 3. So if you keep using your brush and your bristle back and forth, what it does is contaminating that activator into your brush. So that's why your brush get freezing, because the number 3 and number 3 will accelerate and it will dry your number 4 and number 2. So now is a tip and tricks to do a number 4. You get floating. The same techniques that I shared with you, floating with condensed glue gel. This you're going to do the same. After you do this, you're going to wipe it in a piece of paper and let this set. And if you miss any spot, do not worry, because you're going to go back in a second time and do all of those. How long the class a day? So the class on each day will be from 9 to 5. So we're gonna start the class at 9 and end at 5 every single day. It's such a great, and then you are both ombre are cute. Yes, I think so. Thanks so much, Nuna. I love it too. So you get me. I got an honor to be sharing with you, and Vicky and Sarah, all of us will combine together over like 50 years of experience. So I'm so excited, and we can't wait to see you at class. So now I start seeing it's getting from shiny to dull a little bit. Is a time to go back and do a second coat of a dipping. This is a great bonus that you get to learn all the dipping. It's not only liquid and powder dipping, liquid and powder, all from structures from a basic to advanced. This is so gorgeous. And then now, if you have the clients, you just like let them set it dry for about 5 minutes, and then their nails completely done. Hi Cindy, hi Beba, hi Shayla, hi Makeup Love. Put it on the side. Lily got this one, is prepared for me. She shaped and she bubbled ready. It looks so nice. It's so cute though, you think? So now I am going to apply number 3. If you missed that, please don't forget to watch it over with the live videos later. And we're gonna apply this one right on the top. And let it set. By the time you do all 10 nails, will be ready for you to do a top coat after you apply number 3. And I am going to wipe the extras off. They're so gorgeous. And now I am going to use number 4. Thank you, Beba. No, we have a long day today. I've been live for past few live video with different techniques. So first coat, you're gonna float them really fast. Don't worry if I'm missing anything. I do not have to worry, because if I keep going back and forth like you're doing with the gel polish, it's gonna be contaminating your number 2 and number 3 and number 4 together. So it means your brush gonna get hardened. So this is for the dipping technique. Hey Vicky, how are you? Hey sweetie. We're showing a tip and trick for dipping powder now. So we are on board with the dipping powder. For all of you who are interested in our dipping powders, also that'll be in hands-on class. Hi Nichols, how are you? Hi, is Lynn's Pie. How are you, sweetie? So we're going, now you start from a shiny to a dull look. Now we're gonna start putting another coat, which is 2 coat of number 4. So when I got chance to teaching, a lot of students were asking, oh my God, it's number 4 so hard, so I didn't want to put it on, I skip it. And you can put gels on it, it's okay, but if sometimes the clients just can't wear gel or don't want anything with gel, that's great. Why dipping and when it dipping? When the clients are getting really like, they can't do gels or they can't handle the acrylic and they don't want anything else, they don't want a regular nail polish, that's how it's fit with the dipping for you. So, great. So now it's gonna be, let me show you this. both of them.